Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Let It Snow Embellishment Kit. We're going to open this together and I'm so excited to open this because hello, look at this adorable little card box. So super cute. You could use this in your craft room, which I will probably be displaying because I have a feeling I'm just a collector of Stampin' Up's boxes and tins and stuff. I just have to keep them. But this would be cute for a gift too. You could always put adorable little cards in there, or a necklace or a gift card or anything like that. So super cute. It's got a solid red bottom and then that fabulous little lid. And then of course, let's open it up. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It's like iridescent glittered washi tape. Super, super pretty. Maybe you can see it better there. See that iridescence? Gorgeous. Oh my. These are like little like foam balls. Like they're squishy and they're probably super staticky. I'm interested to see how that is going to look whenever I open that and how easy it is to get those out. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. So these are little like sticker, like enamel shapes, and there's the little arms, the noses, and then of course the coal, and the coal buttons have the two sizes. There's the small and the large there. And then these are all felt pieces. So let's open this packet up and see all of these pieces inside. So here we have some red ones, and it looks like we have hat and scarf and mittens, and then I think we have more scarves. So it looks like there's a lot of scarves and only a few hats and mittens, it looks like. So there's a hat, a scarf, and mittens. Look how cute those are. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't even see those. My bad. Aren't those adorable? And then it looks like we have the same in this pink color too. So there's the hat, the scarf, and the mittens. And then the same in both green and blue. So, so cute. Isn't that fabulous? And this all coordinates together with the Snowman Season stamp set, which is this one here. So you can see there's that fabulous little snowman, and you can then add all the little pieces. Super, super, super cute. He's adorable with the little legs. And then there's also the coordinating snowman punch. So you can see there is that fabulous snowman punch that has the hat, the snowman, the arms, and the little nose there. So super cute. This is all in the 2019 Stampin' Up! Holiday Mini Catalog that comes out on September 4th. So it's so exciting to get your hands on these. I know I can definitely wait for winter to come, but this is super, super cute, and I can do this inside my warm, cozy home. So, of course, it's like, you know, 100 degrees outside right now. So I'm not too worried about it right now. But I'm super, super excited about the Let It Snow Embellishment Kit and the coordinating products. If you like it too, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're new so you don't miss out any more fabulous holiday mini catalog products. And you can also check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for more details on the holiday mini catalog. I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.